Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download new Relic infrastructure agent for VPS monitoring, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the new Relic infrastructure agent for VPS monitoring, first, visit the new Relic website. Navigate to the infrastructure section on the home page. Look for the option to get started or the download page for the infrastructure agent. Select your operating system from the provided options. For a Linux-based VPS, choose the appropriate installation method based on your distribution. If you're using Ubuntu, open your terminal. Update your package manager with the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install the new Relic infrastructure agent with the command sudo apt-get install Relic infra y. For CentOS or Red Hat, open your terminal. Update your package manager with the command sudo yum update. Then, install the new Relic infrastructure agent using sudo yum install Relic infra y. If you're using a different distribution, follow the specific instructions provided on the new Relic website. After installation, you will need to configure the agent. Locate the configuration file, which is typically found in the /etc/nerelicinfra.yml directory. Open the configuration file in a text editor with the command sudo nano /. Enter your new Relic license key, which you can find in your new Relic account settings. Save the changes and exit the text editor. To start the new Relic infrastructure agent, run the command sudo system start Relic infra. To ensure the agent starts on boot, run sudo system enable Relic infra. You can check the status of the agent with the command sudo system status Relic infra. After installation and configuration, visit your new Relic dashboard to verify that the data is being collected. This completes the download and setup of the new Relic infrastructure agent for VPS monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.